How to enable storage sense free up space automatically on Windows. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to uh, turn on storage sense to easily free up space on your Windows. The very first thing you do is go to settings. So open up your run dialog box or your start menu and click on settings to open it up. You can find the storage sense option obviously on your storage section. Find it, go to System tab at the left side, and then find Storage from here. Click on it. Right under your storage management, you have your Storage Sense option, which will automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud contents as well. For that, all you have to do is just toggle this on, and you'll be good to go. There is further customization you can do as well, so you can set up automatic content cleanup as well as you can configure your cleanup schedules. And that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.